Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea good. First, let's talk about water. Using fresh, filtered water is crucial for a great cup. It truly makes a difference in the final taste. Avoid using distilled water or water that has been boiled multiple times, as this can strip away essential minerals and flatten the flavor of your tea. Good water is the foundation of good tea. Next, consider your tea type and quantity. High-quality loose leaf tea offers a much richer and more nuanced flavor than tea bags. For a standard cup, aim for about 2 grams of tea per 8 ounces of water. This ratio provides a balanced brew, but feel free to adjust slightly based on your personal preference and the specific tea you're using. Experimentation is key. Water temperature and steeping time are vital. Black teas generally need boiling water, around 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Green teas, however, prefer cooler water, about 175 degrees Fahrenheit, and a shorter steep of 1 to 3 minutes to avoid bitterness. Herbal infusions can often handle boiling water and longer steeping times, sometimes up to 10 minutes. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your perfectly brewed tea. Make sure to strain all the tea leaves completely to prevent oversteeping and bitterness. You can enjoy your tea plain or add enhancements like a splash of milk, a spoonful of honey, or a slice of lemon, depending on your preference and the tea type. Savor every warm, comforting sip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.